What's going on, YouTube? What is in your truck toolbox? That's what I've got here. Cetane boost. I run Hot Shots Everyday Treatment now, but I do keep a bottle of the Motorcraft Cetane boost in here. Got tools, toe straps, hitch. I made these dividers out of 2x4s for this one. They work really well. Tray. And they actually are very good for organization. I don't know if there's, it looks like this one's got some sort of apparatus in here for ones you can buy from UWS for organization, but 2x4s are cheaper, so that's the toolbox. What do you guys have in yours?